my name is Michelle and today I have my 4th Stitch Fix. I've been doing Stitch Fix since September. I've tried 4 fashion subscription services since then, and I have been sharing all of the boxes here on YouTube if you would like to check any of those out. I was offered the Style Pass on Black Friday, which I was pretty surprised about because I thought that you had to be doing Stitch Fix for a while before you got offered one. But I am thrilled to get one. My styling fee is now waived for the next year because I paid $49 to get the pass, and then when I decide to make a purchase, that $49 will be applied as a credit. And if I don't decide to keep anything in these boxes, I get to send everything back for free without losing any type of credit. So that's nice. I am glad that I was offered one, and I'm really surprised. So without any further ado, let's get into this 4th box. Okay, oh yeah, I always kind of mention what I asked for. I asked for rain boots this time around, and I'm not even sure if Stitch Fix has rain boots. I haven't seen anyone end up with them in their box, so hopefully I get some. I mean, this is a big box. Last time I had a big box like this, I got shoes. So I would be really excited to get that. It's been raining here a lot, so I just need some new rain boots. And I also asked for a go-to white tunic, and I asked for maroon pants because when I received my last fashion, I got some cut from the cloth pants that were maroon, but they were kind of in between a pant and a legging, and I kind of wished it was one or the other. So I asked for maroon pants here to see what I might get from Stitch Fix. The last 2 boxes have been styled by Alexis, and I asked to keep Alexis because Alexis has just been hitting it out of the park for me. I've actually kept everything that Alexis has sent to me. All right, let's get into this. I usually don't read this note in the beginning, but I'm going to this time because I want to see if I have, no, it looks like I got shoes, yes. See if I got Alexis again. I did! Okay, I didn't look at the pictures, but I did get Alexis. Okay, they're boots, they're boots. Okay, they're boots. They are boots. And they look like rain boots. They're Keds. This definitely looks like a water-resistant material. It's kind of a rubbery feel. How cute is this? This is a really cute rain bootie. What is this called? This is the Scout Splash Weather Resistant Bootie by Keds in Burgundy. Love the name because I have a dog named Scout too. These are adorable. Love them. And I've never seen anyone actually get rain boots in their box, so I am go Alexis for coming through on that one. All right, nice. Here's the burrito. Okay, first from the burrito, I have the Tinsel Hattie 2-pocket button-down top. It's a nice flannel. There is some dark green in there. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera. Navy gray and some red orange in there. This feels like a really nice top. 100% viscose, and it is machine washable. This is cute. The Cyrus Fawny Cowl neck ribbed pullover in white. This looks like it's tunic length, so I think that this is maybe what Alexis sent me as the white tunic. I like it. I really like the pattern and the feel of it. I was hoping to get a tunic that could maybe last me into spring, so we'll see how this one works out. All right, this is the Market & Spruce Chaya textured elbow patch double V-neck pullover. All right, so I have been seeing lots of people get these textured elbows sweaters. This one isn't very pronounced. It's just a change in the pattern there. It's nice. I've seen some with leather, and I posted one on my Pinterest that had like a buffalo plaid. That one was really cute. I do like this one. though. And last but not least, here are some maroon colored pants. These are by Dictionary. They are the Catriana Ponte skinny pant in burgundy. And these this doesn't seem like it's elastic. I'm not really quite sure what it is, but some ribbing there on the side and then plain here in the middle. We'll see how those work out. Let's get to the try on. The prices for all of the items will be below, and then after we go over this, we'll go over the box. These boots also come with a second pair of laces in the bag. I do like them and they fit really well. I love Keds. I used to just have white sneakers from Keds when I was a kid, but they've been stepping up their game lately. Okay, so I have the pants on and the plaid shirt. This plaid top I really like a lot too. I usually get plaids in a little bit more feminine colors, but I think it goes really well with these red pants. But this doesn't have an extra button up here, and I like being able to have the option to button all the way up because I usually am wearing flannel in the winter or the fall when it's a little bit colder. Now, I do like it. It's just, there's a few things that I wish were a little bit different, so maybe I just wait to get the perfect flannel in another box. Okay, here is the white cowl neck by Cyrus. It goes really well with these pants as well. I think, again, I'm not sure if medium is, I might need to get a smaller size than this one, but because even the arms are a little bit too long for me. It's not this cold, where I live, that I need this much protection. So I just don't think that I would wear it very much. So, but it's very soft and it's comfortable, just not perfect for me. Just kind of a little bit too big for me. I'm not tall enough for this. Okay, here is the last sweater. It's by Spruce in the gray. This one fits well. This is probably my favorite out of the tops that I got so far, and it goes really well with these pants. Everything went really well with these pants. Here's the mixed texture. The mixed texture is also on the wrists. And yeah, I really like this one. It's probably my favorite top out of all of them. And this one fits. Okay, what do you think about this box? I am so pleased with what Alexis gave me. Again, I think that Alexis is really nailing my style, but also giving me some options that I probably wouldn't lean towards if I was just shopping for myself on my own. So this box, let's see the damage. Not so bad. This box was $288. A 25% discount would bring the price down to $216, so $72 off for buying all 5. Let me know what you think. The only thing that was kind of a miss for me was the cowl neck, just because it was too big. And I don't think it would be worth sizing down for me because it just isn't cold enough for me to reach for a sweater like that. But the plaid and the gray I'm seriously considering. The red pant I am seriously considering as well. I have a prime wardrobe here actually, and I got a red pant in that, which is a jean. So I just need to decide if I want to go the jean direction or the legging direction. Because I really don't need more than one pair of red pants at this point. So, and I love the Keds. That may be the one thing that I keep. So let me know what you think about this box and these items. Thank you all for being so nice to me. I know that these videos are not the best, but I do enjoy getting to share with all of you. And I know that it helps to see what else is out there within the Stitch Fix community, so you know what to ask for in your own box. So if you have Stitch Fix videos that you would like me to check out, be sure to tag them below. And I will see you in the comments, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.